Jacob's gonna attempt to help me to work on my bulldozer.
See you later.
We got to change the bolts on one of these sprocket sets. So we're gonna start with cutting out the first one and make sure I got the rest of them. But anyway, don't turn the oxygen on. You turn the oxygen on, turn the acetylene on. The red one's the acetylene. There you go. All right, now that's the oxygen after you turn it on. A little more, right there. All right, here we go. Hope we don't burn this thing either. Now don't cut that sprocket, just cut the bolt. We're gonna cut this bolt off to see if we can see if I got some new ones here in the shop. And I really should have, but anyway. We can't, we tried to take it apart and it won't work. So this is the alternative. It is a piece of equipment. All right, I'll burn a sprocket.
Which one can we get to next? That one?
Be fine. Anyway, this is what we're doing, so unless the bulldozer catches on fire, we'll be back. All right, he cut 2 of them off. There's 4 in it.
We're gonna try to replace these 2 first, then roll it forwards or backwards and get these last 2.
Yeah. He's getting the slag off of it now.
Well, there it is.
Now get the rest of the slag off of it, sort of tighten up. Anyway, this is the plan. And,
but we got it all cleaned up. The holes, the bolts.
But anyway.
Got the melted bolts out of the way. We're gonna stick some new ones in it and go from there.
And they didn't change the other 2.
Yeah, and then we're gonna roll it forward, catch this last one right here, then roll it backwards about a foot and catch this one.
And then we're gonna grease it and move it out of the way.
Yeah, then we'll be done.
Then we'll be done.
Be right back.
All right, the bolts we need is a little long. So we're gonna, these are grade 8 bolts, and we're gonna put them on there and saw them off and make them work. But I'm sure Caterpillar sells them, but
Be a little pricey.
Be a little pricey. They real hard. They're grade 8. All right, here we go.
We got 3 more to do exactly the same way.
Yeah, next time. All right, he sawed the bolt saw. We need 4, but we cut out 2 to make sure this will work. And y'all hang on, let me get a little closer. We got too much junk out here. All right, here we go. My son Jacob. Hey, noisy Jacob. So hopefully this will work. Because Caterpillar's real expensive. Is that gonna stick out too far?
No, about the same.
Alright.
They are a little bit farther.
I understand.
No, that gear's hot.
It's called a sprocket tooth.
Well, whatever, it's hot.
Hold your finger back there.
Yeah, you hold your finger.
Oh yeah, well I ain't got room for both of us. Alright. Alright, well y'all see the plan, so.
Well, give them a second one.
Alright, we'll do the second one.
Then we'll show them the finished
But it
product.
ain't loose no more, and that's a good thing. These things are real expensive when you call Caterpillar.
And the guy you bought it from, just had it rebuilt.
Yeah. Alright, there it is, and I ain't real sure.
That's both of the two on there. We're gonna roll it backwards or forwards, whichever one we do first.
I ain't real sure that they ain't too long.
Nah.
Well, the rest of them don't stick out like that.
The nuts are bigger on the rest of them. The nuts are taller.
Whatever.
Well, next time. All right, roll it back. Come on. All right. You gotta go forward just a little bit. That was a little much. Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Have a clutch, man.
All right. Now we're gonna cut this one out, and then we'll roll it back or forward some more and get this one out. So, all right, we got the third one in. So we're gonna roll it around and catch this one. All right. Now we're gonna cut this last one out right here and check the rest of them and grease it and be done. Next time. Well, we got it done. We're gonna check these other sprockets. Make sure they ain't moving. Those ain't vibrating. Still on it. All that mud means you alright. All that mud means it ain't vibrating and none of them sprockets is moving. Yeah, they ain't hitting. They're clear. Well, that means it's fixed. Wasn't really broken, but we wanted to catch it before it broke because those sprockets, the final drives and all are expensive, extraordinarily expensive, almost like buying a new machine or a new used machine. So a used machine, as we would say. So we're gonna get all our torch stuff put up. We'll get all our gas cut off, get everything put back where it's supposed to be, and set my helmet back up for welding. Set it back up and get everything cleaned up, and that's pretty much it. I gotta go to town. I gotta go to town today and see if we can get some parts ordered. Some bearings, I need main bearings right here, cam bearings, and then I need rod bearings. So we'll get that ordered, see if they can get it in the next couple of days or so. And then I already got a gasket kit for this thing. I'll go to cleaning up my block surfaces and everything. We'll get all that cleaned up. But so far, no rust is formed inside here. No rust is formed in there in our crank. So I think we're doing pretty good. Still got a couple of little spots down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if we can get a light. There's a couple of little black spots down in there. Nothing really major. But we're gonna get them all cleaned up. See, that one still got some spots in it, but we need one more home, one more final home, and we'll be done. So that's a little update on Thrill Hill Racing today. We haven't made a video in a couple of days, so figured we would throw in some extra content for the Bulldozer here, and he's finally driving it around to where he wants to park it. Always parks it right here on this ditch for some reason. But yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody who watches. We do a lot of stuff that doesn't get filmed. We do a lot of stuff that we don't really know if you guys would want to see. It's pretty boring for us, but hey, you know what? We do everything. I mean, I don't know how to describe it. We just do everything. That's all I can say. So we're gonna get back on the car. Quick little update on this one. We got the engine set in. We got to take the water pump back off. The shank is too thick here. If you can see that. And then you can see this one. So we're gonna get in here on this car. We got to get the side put back on. I got to get new gauges, all new tack gauges, cluster and everything put in. But yeah, that's an update on Thrill Hill. See you guys next time.